Kia ora, and welcome to a special showcase of the Northland Project, a collaboration between Learn English Live, MOTAT, and the vibrant communities of the far north. In the hearts of Taitukirai, technology and tradition intertwine. Our project brought together hundreds of students to explore the exciting world of STEM.
Imagine a place where young minds engage with robotics, kiting, and simple machines, where every day a new group of students discover their potential.
Our team of MOTAT educators, Aotearoa Māori speaking facilitators, and registered teachers guided each session with passion and expertise.
Ka pai, ko ai o korua ingoa. Ka pai. I pai ngā mahi o te rangi nei kia kairua?
Ai, tino rawe.
Pai te mahi, te hanga, i ngā mea i runga i te kareta.
Ai, hea te tahi mea hou i ako ai kaurua i te rangi nei?
Ko
Te
ngā
sensu, ngā kareta.
and ko te coding.
Ka pai. Kia kaurua whakaaro ka whaia kaurua i tēnei momo mahi hei oranga mā kaurua kamatana te kura?
Pea?
Hea? Pai he hi ana ka kaurua kia hoki mai tēnei kaupapa ki te kura?
Ai, tino.
Ai, ka pai, koe rā noi ho.
Okay, did you have fun today? Awesome.
Our journey into these communities is more than just teaching. It's about empowering them to harness technology and addressing local challenges and crafting a curriculum that resonates with their unique cultural and educational needs. By resourcing these communities, we're not just imparting knowledge, but also fostering a sustainable environment where they can independently build and apply their own capabilities.
Tēnā koe whaia. Hea o whakaaro e pāna ki te kaupapa nei?
He miharo rawa mō ngā tamariki, ko tēnei te ao o rātou, me mohi o rātou pēha te mahi e nei mahi.
Ka tika.
Every creation here tells a story of innovation, curiosity, and a glimpse into a future where technology uplifts and empowers. As each workshop concludes, a new horizon opens. We connect the dots from these hands-on experiences to real-world career opportunities in technology. We would like to extend our gratitude to the Auckland Business Chamber and Hutt Valley Chamber of Commerce Consortium. Their support has been the waka that has carried us further in our journey. Thanks to your funding, we've welcomed more students, their whānau, and the broader school community into this enriching experience.
The impact of this event extends beyond the classroom. It resonated with community elders, teachers, and students alike, who all shared in this technological journey.
As we conclude our journey in Northland, we leave with smiles, memories, and a strengthened bond with technology. Ngā mihi nui to all who joined us on this remarkable adventure.